Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms. We've got our Razor 170, and we started having some issues yesterday with it. And I was going to kind of go over it a little bit and show you how I think I've got it fixed, because I got looking on YouTube and online and really couldn't find a whole lot about the issue that we had. Now, what happened is we were driving it. The weather's finally nice here in Missouri, and Red had his grandmother in there and was going a little crazy, hitting a lot of mud puddles. We've had a lot of rain, so a lot of mud puddles. The creeks are pretty full, flying through the creeks, getting everything wet. And he stopped, and when he went to start it up, and I'm going to show you what it was doing, it would start fine, but whenever you go to give it gas, it would sputter like that. The other thing is when you go to put it in gear, you could put it in gear, but it wouldn't go. So this was out in the field. Started messing with it at first. I got underneath it. The throttle was fine. I could see where the throttle goes into the engine. It's the cable, everything's working good. I could see the cable where it's shifting back and forth into gear, so all that's good. So I figure it's some kind of limp mode or something along those lines. So I pulled it home. We had to tow it back. I ended up getting under there and just washing it really good because it was really muddy, and that way I could kind of see what I was doing. And a little research on these that I had done is that the electrical systems on it really aren't sealed that well. And so I got wondering, this whole area in the front here was just soaking wet. And this is about the only wire other than the headlights under here. So I took it out. Well, let me backtrack. I got home today. I'd let it sit out and dry off. It was in the hot sun today. It started up and ran fine. So I knew it was something with getting wet. So I figured it was in the electronics, and I was going to look into the spark plug and some of that, but the first place I looked was up front because this area was really wet, and I got this here. Now I pulled this plug, and it started doing it again, just like I showed you. So what I've done is I've got some electric parts cleaner that I had in the shop. I sprayed it down really good, and now I've got some electrical grease, bulb grease. I'm going to put that on the connectors. I'm going to put them back together, and then I'm going to get some black electrical tape, and I'm just going to tape it up really good. Just try to keep it from where it's not going to get as much water in there, hopefully, because I don't want to put anything permanent to seal it, because, you know, kids are kind of crazy with this stuff, and I don't want to I don't want to get it to where it's going to be a pain in my rear if I ever have to pull this plug or work on it. So, like I said, we're going to put a little bulb grease in there. We're going to plug this back in, and it should fire right up. Like I said, when I pulled it in the garage here, it ran perfectly fine again. But I just wanted to share this a little bit because I was looking around for a couple hours last night and really could not find a whole lot about this. I found little bits and pieces that eventually, got me to where I thought I needed to be. But most everything I looked at was like, oh, the belt's bad, the transmission's bad, and I was really hoping it was something simple. But since it was the gas and the transmission both, I figured it had to be some kind of limp mode, some electrical sensor or something. So I'm gonna put bulb grease in there. I'm gonna tape it up. And you'll see us riding in some other videos. If for some reason that does not fix it, well, for one, I'm not going to, if it doesn't fix it, then I'm going to edit this video before I put it on YouTube. But also I'll be making more videos to it. So anyway, just wanted to share that. It's Matt with McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, they help you out, please consider giving us a thumbs up. It's appreciated. It helps the channel grow. Consider subscribing to the channel or sharing it with your friends. You got a friend that's got a Polaris Razor 170? share it with them. They may end up having the same problem. We've got a couple projects with this coming up that we're going to be doing pretty soon. We're going to be adding tail lights, adding some LED lights to give them a little more lights. I think we're going to put a top and a rear windshield on here too. All that's coming up. But right now we're just enjoying the warm weather and playing around the farm. Till next time, have a great day.